Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you a delicious baked ziti, a beefy, cheesy pasta casserole. Let's get right into the ingredients. I'll be using penne pasta for this recipe. I have 2 bottles of marinara sauce. I'll be using 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 large onion, fresh basil, stock cube, salt and pepper, ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. I'll make sure to list the detailed ingredients in my description. I've put a pot of water on and I've added a tablespoon of salt, or you can cook your pasta according to the package instruction. I've added my pasta to the water and then I'll give it a mix. You can use any tube pasta of choice to make this recipe. Now let's begin making our sauce. I've added about 4 tablespoons of olive oil to my pot. You can also use a cast iron to make this. Alright, so I've added in my chopped onion and then we'll give it a mix. Without wasting time, I'll come in with my 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using 85 lean, 15% fat. You can also use 80 to 20%. Yes, and then we'll give it a mix. Without wasting time, I'll go ahead and add in my garlic. I cut up my garlic. You can also mince your garlic and then we'll give it a mix. I'll then go ahead and add in a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then we'll give it a mix. This is a very simple recipe, so you need to have everything ready before starting. We'll then add in 2 beef stock cubes. This is optional. The stock cube really gives the beef and the sauce a very nice flavor. All right, and then I'll come in with my 2 bottles of marinara sauce and then we'll give it a mix. This is a very saucy, cheesy, delicious pasta recipe. Make sure to use 2 bottles of marinara sauce and then we'll cover to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And we'll be stirring in between the 10 minutes. Our sauce is looking good. We'll give it a quick stir and the sauce is pretty much done. All right, so we'll now move it over to the island and then we'll begin mixing everything together. If you haven't subscribed at this point, please subscribe, like and comment, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So at this point, I'll scoop some of the sauce and then put it in my casserole dish and then spread it out. And then we'll add fresh basil to the remaining sauce in the pot. Yes, the fresh basil give it that delicious Italian taste. Oh yes, do not leave that out. And then we'll gently scoop in our ricotta cheese, all right, just like so. And then we'll add in our pasta. Like I said, you can use any tube pasta to make this recipe. But penne pasta is what I had in my pantry today. All right, and then we'll give it a good mix. Mix everything all together. And guys, this is a saucy recipe, very saucy and cheesy recipe. My pasta is well mixed now, so I'll go ahead and transfer half of the mixture inside my casserole dish, and then we will spread it out nicely. We'll be doing 2 layers of the pasta, just like making mac and cheese. All right, and then we'll spread on about 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese, just like so. And then we'll also do the same for Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese is going to be about 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and we'll spread it out very nicely. A very delicious pasta. My kids love it so much. All right, so I went ahead and added on the remaining of the pasta mixture right on to the casserole dish. And then we'll spread that as well. As you can see, there's nothing in the pot. We'll spread it out very nicely. And then we'll do the same, add on the mozzarella cheese on top, and then we'll finish it off with some Parmesan cheese. And it is looking delicious already, guys. And we'll be putting this in the oven to bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And after it is done baking for 30 minutes, if you like your cheese well browned, you can also broil it for about 2 to 3 minutes just to get that cheese all browned and beautiful. And guys, I present to you my baked ziti. Please comment down below and let me know what you think. This is looking delicious and it came out beautifully and very tasty. And my children came back from school and my little daughter just can't wait to enjoy this delicious, cheesy, and tasty baked ziti. They came just right in time, just when it is ready. And it is looking delicious and cheesy, guys. And everyone was excited and they even came for more and more, guys. And now it is time for me to serve myself. And I have garnished mine with some fresh basil. And it is an amazing, delicious and tasty pasta. Guys, I hope you try this recipe. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.